Welcome to our discussion on how nuclear reactors work. Today, we'll be exploring the fundamental principles behind this incredible technology that powers about 23% of the world's electricity. So, let's dive right in. Nuclear reactors are complex machines that transform nuclear fuel into energy. The fuel, typically uranium, or a slightly less radioactive version, called enriched uranium, is loaded into the core of the reactor chamber. Inside the chamber, a controlled nuclear chain reaction takes place, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This energy is produced by the fission of atomic nuclei, which means breaking apart the nucleus of an atom. In a regular nuclear reactor, this is done through the release of neutrons, which are high-energy particles. When the neutrons interact with the uranium atoms, they split them into daughter atoms, each with 2 less protons. This process continues until the fuel is depleted, or the number of neutrons reaches a certain limit. Once the fuel is depleted, the reactor is brought to a stop through a safety mechanism, and the heat is removed using water cooling. The spent fuel is then processed, and its radioactivity contained, ensuring a safe and controlled disposal of waste. In summary, nuclear reactors work by harnessing the power of nuclear reactions to produce energy. The process involves feeding fuel into the reactor chamber, controlling the chain reaction with neutrons, and ultimately shutting down the reactor safely. This clean and sustainable energy source has a significant future ahead of it, especially as we work to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.